My name is Julie Bryant, Squaw Creek. I've been here before. This is just so to our heart, to the ones of us that are here. Our neighborhood, looks like a little blip on that map, but there's at least 100 homes in there. We're gonna be right beside this place. Did anybody ask us? I'd just like to speak as a resident, as a taxpayer. Somebody that did not receive a vote on this mega site disaster. This mega mess is going to ruin our historic Marshall. This is a national security issue. This is a corporate welfare issue. This is a huge environmental issue. Let's think about this. Do we want to send money to a country that violates human rights? How about a country who spies on our military installations? We're 12 miles away from an Air National Guard base, from the Federal Center, from the Army Guard base, Fort Custer National Cemetery. We're kind of an important area over here. The public gets it, the politicians and most of the media do not. Ford does not. Every time I hear we want to be good neighbors. To whom? Not to the people in Marshall Township. We've asked for meetings. I see they had a small meeting of some Squaw Creek residents. They had a Battle Creek Chamber eye-opener meeting. They have an Albion eye-opener meeting planned. Then a eye-opener meeting with Marshall in May. That's our businesses, small businesses that used to be the chamber. But where is the Marshall Township meeting? Haven't we asked for that already? Did we ask for that last time we were up here? How come that hasn't been arranged? We should have been talked to first. They want to be good neighbors. From what I can see, we don't want their neighborship. we don't want you to be a neighbor. You want to pollute our air and our water. It's just shocking. I'm sorry, I'm so totally mind blown on all of this. It's not like this is new. I heard about this in January like everybody else. I bought my property in 2019, the same year that those first option agreements were signed. My realtor knew, and I had known him in the previous Marshall Chamber days, ambassador of Marshall Chamber days. Yes, we did the Christmas parade. We did all kinds of great stuff. And then they took our chamber away when MEDA came in. They said, oh, we're the chamber, but are they representing small business now? Is this small business? We have light industrial area and agricultural areas, and now we're supposed to be considering it all for heavy industrial. I would say you all failed your jobs, reaching out to the public and letting us know that was your jobs, letting us know what was going on before they started to come in here and say this is a done deal and push dirt around. It's not done, it's not over.